Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learned about the microorganism. We have seen what are microorganism, why they called microorganism, and where they found. Now today we are going to learn about the different types of microorganism. So the scientists have divided microorganisms into five categories. These are algae, fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and virus. You will see that near the sea water, river and river waters and rocks, grassland and mountains. You will easily find some green, grey or red color or layer of grass is there. And these are what? Algae. Easily you can see algae on any watery or moist place like the mountain rocks, woods and any object you can easily see. If water is present there, then easily you can see one green color layer of grass is there, and that is what? Algae. Algae. Now see some example of algae. This is Althrix, then Spirogyra, then Chlamydomonas and cholera. These are the some examples of algae. Uses of algae. Algae, most of the vegetation cover is because of the algae. Then algae are the main food for the aquatic animal like the fish and other aquatic animals. Then algae are also used for making cosmetics for the animal feed for the chicken, cow, buffaloes, fish, and for biofuels, for bioplastic, and for pharmaceutical vitamins, fertilizers, and nutrients. Then one example of the use of algae is that to get the more milk from the milk producing animals like the cow and buffaloes. A special kind of food is given them, and that food is a mixture of kelp, oil cake and jaggery which is soaked in water overnight. The microorganisms react with the food material in the cattle food and increases the nutritive value of the food, and that nutritive food give the more nutrition to the animals and they produce more milk. Now the second is fungi. Fungi, you have seen the mold which present over the leaf and the shoes, some white spot over the leather shoes, and over the braid you have seen some black, gray or white spot, and over the cloths. These are what? These are fungi. These are kind of fungi. Then yeast. Yeast is a fungus which present in dry form. Mostly you have seen for making idli, dosa or jalebi, we add some amount of yeast for the fermentation. So yeast is a kind of saprophyte. Saprophyte is what? The fungi which is present in soil and air. This can be kept in dry form for the year as powder or some pills. This is easily available in market, and this is used for making many foods like for making cake, dosa, then idlis and other things. So any organism that live on dead or decaying organic matter as some fungi and bacteria origin of saprophytes. Now you will see the yeast is used for the fermentation of food. Then yeast is also a living thing. As we are talking about the microorganism, so yeast is a microorganism. So it also need food, water, and energy. It breaks down the sugar for energy and liberates carbon dioxide, and this process is called fermentation. And by this process, the batter for idli, dosa, jalebi, and bread is prepared. Now, see one activity for the fermentation. For this, you will take one uh, jar and add sugar and water in it. Then take the mix it well so that the sugar get melted easily with the water. Then cover it with the balloon. Then take another jar and pour some water in it and add yeast. 1 gram of yeast in 100 ml of water. Then stir it well, mix it well so that the yeast easily dissolve in water. Cover with the balloon, cover the mouth of jar with the balloon. Then take another jar, pour water and add yeast and sugar. Mix well both yeast and sugar. This one is yeast. Mix all very well. Then again cover the lid of the jar with the balloon and observe one another jar. Add water, sugar, yeast and then boil it. See, in this jar we have added yeast, sugar and water, and now we are going to boil this. After boiling, cover the lid of the jar with the balloon. Now in the 4 beaker, the first one is added sugar, water, the second one is added yeast in the water, and the third is added yeast, sugar and water, and the fourth yeast, sugar and water and boiled. Now then what you will see, which will showing the expansion after 24 hours. See that different in flask, you will see the flask in which yeast, sugar added with the water, only the expansion we will see there, only the balloon will expand, and the rest three they are having no reaction. So yeast and sugar in a suitable temperature they have fermentation, and because of that only the balloon get expanded. You can see the how the yeast is fermented here. The fermentation of yeast you can see easily, and the rest all three, that first one is added sugar only, the second one is added yeast only, and the third one which is added yeast and sugar, that is only having expansion, and the fourth one that yeast, sugar and boiled, because the suitable temperature is not there, so no expansion is there. Only in the suitable temperature yeast and sugar they both react and break down and they release carbon dioxide gas, and because of that only balloon get expanded, and that is the example of fermentation, how the fermentation happens here, and that fermentation is used for making different food. Now the next is uses of fungi. The first is food. Human eat many fungi and uses other to make cheese, alcoholic beverage like the that we can say beer and bread. Some fungi are used to produce antibiotics like the penicillin for the treatment of bacterial infection, or example of asclomatic penicillin. Genetic researches on fungi is leading to application in biotechnology. For example, insulin like the growth factor can be produced in the fungus. Then mushroom is a kind of fungus which is having antioxidant, which is very good for the human health and having very much of antibiotics. So the mushroom is good for our health, but not all the fungus are beneficial for us. Some having harmful effect also. The harmful effect of fungi are destruction of food, paper and cloth, disease including allergies, then toxin produced by poisonous mushroom and within food, and plant disease, spoilage of agriculture produce, damage the product such as magnetic tape, disc, glass lens, and marble structures and bones and wax. See, this is the disease caused because of the fungus. Ringworm, candy disease, skin disease, hair fall, these all occur because of the fungus. Even see the dandruff in our hair is also what kind of fungus.
Okay, students. So now I am finishing my class here. Thank you.